Good morning to one and all. Welcome to Inssan 32nd National Convention. I am KVV Pavan Kumar, Deputy Manager from Rashtriya Ispat Nigam Limited, which is a corporate entity of Visakhapatnam Steel Plant. Actually, the title of my session is Optimization of Dismantling Methodology of Steel Transfer Car Gearbox of SMS1. So, the problem directly given by the management is to reduce the repair time of STC gearbox so that we can reduce the downtime of STC at our SMS1. I am from Engineering Shops and Foundry Department, which plays a very important role in manufacturing and repair of various space required throughout the plant. Let us see background of the problem. SMS, steel melt shop, in which the hot metal is converted into various grades of steel. So in this video you can see the steel transfer car is one of the important and critical equipment in SMS1, which is used to carry hot metal ladders from one location to another location for processing of hot metal. So this is about steel transfer car. Here we can notice that the driving mechanism of this STC is motor driven with gear mechanism. So this is the steel transfer car that we are using at our plant SMS1. Out of the main components of this STC, gearbox is one of the important components. So in this picture you can see the location of the gearbox. It is bottom of STC. So this is the damaged gearbox of steel transfer car. So this is the drawing of the complete gearbox. The hatched one shows the output shaft. So this is the output shaft. So why I have mentioned output shaft is mainly the output shaft used to break down. So this is the real view of output shaft. If you see, there are many components like coupling, bearing, gear, etc. So if any one component in this output shaft damages, the complete gearbox has to be come to our assembly section for repair. And one more point I have to note down here: if any component like coupling, bearing, gear wheel, whatever it damages, the both sides coupling has to be removed. So this is the flowchart of our processing. I said the damaged gearbox will be come to our assembly section. We dismantle the damaged space and assemble with new one and dispatch to the SMS1. So generally these types of dismantling process will be takes place on 630 ton horizontal hydraulic press. Let us see how the dismantling takes place on this press. So generally in this video the damaged crane wheel and gear is dismantling from the shop with the help of C fixture. So this is how normally the dismantling takes place on this 630 ton horizontal press. So this is how we are existing dismantling method of removal of this coupling. So you can see the output shaft is fixing in a line. How much difficulty we are doing that. After that, we are fixing a 100 mm thickness C fixture. You can see before the coupling, because there is a high interference fit between coupling and the shaft, and also seizing due to some working condition. So we brought to the 630 ton machine, and we can observe how the coupling is dismantled from the shaft. So these are the various activities just now we have seen in the video. So on an average, the 16 hours time is taking for repair of one gearbox, which resulting in increasing the downtime of steel transfer car and converter. So impact of the problem is due to more repair time of this gearbox, the STC is interrupting at SMS1. Finally, the SMS production will be affected. So this is the record of the breakdown jobs of this gearbox. So last column you have seen the damaged parts. So in the last financial year, nearly 15 occasions, so different types of gearboxes from STC has received. So nearly 240 hours of repair time per year. So we have done some Wiley analysis and found that why it is taking too much of time, because of using conventional dismantling method and very big settings just now we have seen in the video. So we have done some analysis to do other dismantling methods so that we can reduce the repair time. For this we have searched regarding the coupling puller and hydraulic jack and power pack and some induction heating and oil injection methods. So these are the dismantling methods we have tried, but we couldn't succeed. So finally, with reference to some collected data, we found that few modifications are required to the existing dismantling method. That is nothing but development of special fixture. So for that we have done some calculations. I said there is interference fit between coupling and the shaft. So we have calculated the fit. And these are the special fixture we fabricated. So these are the suggestion implementation activities. So in this video we can see our suggestion implementation. So the bottom plate and the two split plates are fixed to the coupling and tightened with bolts. And the same taken to a modified stand fixture. Earlier we have seen a big fixture. In this video we can see how much easily we can doing this process, and the same job is taken to our same 630 ton hydraulic press, and very easily the gear coupling is dismantling from the shaft. So these are the activities we have seen. So before and after, before I said 16 hours of repair time for gearbox, now 8 hours saved. So thank you.